What's up guys, AK with you today. A review with a new camera setup of that Tangent gorgeous cabooses we got. Also, I will do more reviews like this because lately all that stuff sold out like almost like at the day it's released. So anyway, yeah, we got like 60 something plus and all gone. And that will be like for some of you just don't have a chance to look at them. Here we go, that's the video. So I have two cameras. Hello. Side camera, so we can watch good details and stuff. All right, so let's get started. Then second video will be, I'll test it because it's a lot of cool features. Box is great, is really great, solid, made very well. You see the manual in this here, in this side of the paperwork. Manual how to turn the lights, LEDs, and here's some history about prototype. Very cool. Original photo. Yeah, this one is Chessie. Paint, for me, it's right on the money. So that's how it looks. Box, also very nice. That wand to turn the LEDs on and off. Okay, I don't think so any detailed parts or anything, just in case. I'm always checking because sometimes I'm finding some details. No, not here. So good. Cool. That's how it's packed. And I kind of missing out. I did a lot of videos like that and like really opening, and sometimes I really need them because it's even hard right now to put everything back. I'm not talking about just like even unboxing that stuff. So, but it's more than unboxing video. So, highly details, very a lot of stuff. So I'm a little bit worried about those nice gloves because again, it's just I'm reviewing. Somebody bought it already from us. Anyway, but thank you guys for allowing me to do it. Anyway, so highly detailed means I'll just look around. My worry about those gloves, sometimes you can easily catch, I can easily catch, or if you're doing the same thing with those fabric, I thought to go with my small finger gloves, but that's okay. Kind of used to it. So really not a lot of comment. I will switch the camera soon. All those detail parts is amazing, just amazing. So you can take the snapshot. Yeah, I catch something. Very nice. So it has LEDs, depends on the model also. Those red lights and side LEDs, and also interior lights. Okay, let's try to switch to that side camera and see what we can absorb better. Oh yeah, no questions. So the area I want to show you, this small and side here, all those small pieces, and the bottom also. It's just amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Unbelievable. Yeah, now you really need a careful, see all steps see through. That's nice shot. Oh man, just great. All right, let's go. That's what I'm saying, you need to be very careful. Look at this. It's not autofocus on purpose, so I can move it back and forth and you see details better. Look at the railing, hand railing. Just okay. From this side as well. Oh, so good. Some maybe I'm calling like distortion because those like mesh, I guess, inside and mesh here on the windows. You can see better now. Yeah, all prints you can read, no questions about it. Yeah. So cool. Maybe I need another set of lights to show. Actually, you can see here if I'm going up and my finger in this area. Oh, that catch me. Yeah, like here. See this thing? Yeah, all separate pieces. Check this out. Unbelievable. Yeah, hand railing. Just so good. That walk path way or whatever, it's actually made of plastic. I thought it's H metal for a second, then I see it's not really painted. Original, yeah, but it's so good. It's good. Really nice. See-through too. Yeah. All right. So, well, that will be all for right now. I will do a next demonstration video of those lights, which is around the end and those small pieces. Try my not ready. No, I'm good. Yeah, around here, right there, here, end of the roof on those top areas, like here. Thanks for watching, supporting business. Have a good one. Bye bye.